Beautiful day in the neighborhood to climb. We love climbing in the rain. Makes things a lot more interesting, a lot more slippery. Katie, you leading this one, Katie?
Yeah, I'm gonna choose my first lead today. No idea.
What's the name of this climb, Katie?
No idea.
No idea?
Yeah, that's what it's called.
No, Glory Jean.
Oh.
No idea.
Just gonna lead this. It's a
7?
5'7", and it goes way up there. And yeah, as you can see those anchors on the very top. He likes practicing in the rain. It makes him feel like he's in the big mountains again.
Makes it exciting, right?
Yeah.
Maybe you should just clean it on the way down
Great day out here. You can see behind me,
so we can pull the rope.
like gorillas in the mist here.
Well, I think it's like,
Anyway, Rumney Johnny
moves around a lot.
hanging around on wet rocks.
Okay.
I'm in.
You're good on that?
You got it unlocked.
Mad rock monkey. Come to get in action. Come over here. Interesting start.
We're the only ones here.
Of course we're the only ones here. Who else would be crazy enough to be out here?
Every climb to ourselves, though.
Look how happy Katie is. More progress a little later. As soon as he gets to the top, I'll get back to you. We're out.